Hi, are you looking for job? Here is one Bitcoin. Here's the thing most people don't get about Bitcoin. It's not about buying it up and making millions of pounds. It's not about replacing the US currency overnight. And it's not about nerdy programmers taking over the world and making us all eat microchips for breakfast. It's about one specific word: decentralization. And all these means is that instead of being centralized and controlled from one place, like the Federal Reserve controls the US currency, Bitcoin is spread out and controlled by everybody who uses it. It's an intriguing prospect, and here's the thing, it's what the best jobs on the planet have going for them too. I mean, think about it. On the one hand, you've got old school, centralized jobs, where you sit in some stuffy office all day, or some boring retail store, just watching your life tick away. And on the other hand, you have new school, decentralized jobs, where you can work from anywhere on your laptop, put in as many hours as you want, when you want, oh yeah, and they pay better too. In fact, right now there's one of these new school jobs going. It's not for everyone, but if you fit the bill, it could be a real grower. Click the link below to see how you can apply now. Best wishes.